Hi, I'm Tom with Dependable Oxygen Company, and we're going to go over how to operate and use a concentrator for oxygen concentrator in the home. So what you want to do is just get over the basic overview. You've got a plug. You just want to plug it into a wall. Make sure it's a good outlet, not one that has a whole bunch of other things in it, no extension cords. We like them to be directly into a wall or something with just a surge protector if you want that. This is the liter flow gauge. This is the on-off switch, and then there's two things here that'll let you know if there's any issues with the machine. On the back, there's an intake here, or this is actually the intake here, and the air comes through there. So you just want to make sure you don't want to plug those off if it gets too hot. There's a filter inside here that we maintain. Once a week, just make sure that you maybe wipe these vents off and keep them clean and clear. So what you want to do is turn the machine on. Once that turns on, you will adjust this ball to the prescribed flow that your physician's prescribed it to. So if you're prescribed 2 liters of oxygen, you'll just put that ball right there on 2. If you're prescribed 3, you'll just adjust that there. Okay? Next, this is the oxygen outlet port. The oxygen will come out here. So we're going to leave you with a tubing, an extension tubing. It's probably going to be 25 or 50 feet. Then you have a connector that will connect the tubing, and then the cannula that will connect to you. So you'll take the extension out. The extension will be plugged on to the outlet. You'll take your connector, you'll connect the male connector, and this swivels. And then you'll take your cannula out, and it'll just plug in right there. Then you take the cannula and you put it on. There's these prongs. I like to say the claws. The prongs go down or towards you in your nose. Make an adjustment with this up over your ears and tighten it like that. This cannula is designed to be replaced at least once a month. So 2 to 4 weeks you throw these away, and then you just put a new one on. To turn the machine off, it's a simple off like that. That's your basic overview of how to set up an oxygen concentrator. Feel free to give us a call. The number's 435-882-0055 if you have any questions. Thanks.